All right, today I'm going to show you guys how to borrow USDC against your OG30 holdings. So the first thing you're going to do is go to loopscale.com, click on Launch Application. Make sure your wallet is connected, so go to the top right, click on Connect. Click on the wallet you want to use. In this case, I'm going to be using Brave Wallet. When it's connected, you should see your wallet listed in the top right section. Here on Loopscale, you can see many different options from Lend, Loop, Borrow, Portfolio, and Points. You're going to go to Borrow for this. You're going to scroll down to where it says Collateral. You're going to type in OG30. You're going to see it pop up right here. It's going to show your current balance of OG30. It's going to show the LTV ratio, which is 70%, liquidation LTV, 75%, and the collateral deposits. It's going to take you to the loan page where you can see where your loan account is going to be when you borrow against your OG30. So what we're going to do is go to the right side here. You're going to type in the amount of OG30 you want to put up as collateral. So in this case, we're just going to max it out. That's going to give us $21.65. When you go down to borrow, you can adjust the LTV all the way up to 70%. Like we mentioned earlier, 70% is going to be a bit more aggressive. Moderate is going to be 35%. Safe is going to be 17.5% for the LTV. Depending on which one you choose will depend on how much USDC you're able to borrow against your OG30. So for this case, we're going to go aggressive. We're just going to max it out, do 70% LTV. You can also select your fixed rate, which could be 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. 3 months, we'll just do 1 day for today, but this changes your APY value, as you can see below when you click through the different durations. So for this, we'll select 1 day, we'll go borrow. All right, success. Now you can go down to the bottom left here. You can see your ongoing loans. We borrowed $15 against our 115 OG30 at a 10% APY. Now, if you'd like to go ahead and repay that USDC that you borrowed so that you can unlock and get your OG30 back, go ahead and click on the repay button. You can select the amount you want to repay. For this one, we'll just select the full balance. Click make repayment, and there you go. Now you can go to your past loans and you can see the one that you just repaid here less than a minute ago for the $15 in USDC that was borrowed. That's it for today's demo video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for new videos, demos, and content here in the near future from OpenDelta.